Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kayla, and today I have something very exciting for you guys. It is my new necklace and my new little cute hair clips. Oh, they're on this side. That's super exciting to me. They're from Betty Belts, which are handmade in Ventura. But what the real main point of this video is, and the real reason why I'm so excited today, is because I got in some new stuff from Kosas Cosmetics. And the reason I have two packages here is because I ordered something and then I forgot, and I ordered something else that I forgot. So Kosas just came out with a brand new product called the 10-Second Shadow, and they came out with 8 different colors, and they range in tones from like champagne-y colors to neutrals to gold, copper, some purplies and reds, and then blue. I thought about getting all of them, but I ended up only getting 5 because I got the colors that I figured I would wear most often, and there were just some shades, like the more reds and purples, that I knew that I wasn't going to wear particularly, so I just got the ones that I knew that I would wear. So let's go ahead and open up these bad boys. I'm so excited. I just got them in the mail and I have been like waiting for so long to just open these up and record this. So I'll start with the larger package first, and let's go ahead. There we go. Okay, so in here I have 4 of the shades. So in here is Globe, Supreme, Element, and Waterfall. So that's 4 of them here. And then in the other package, I have one more because I had forgotten to purchase that one. Alright, and then here's the other shade, which is Copper Halo. So here are all 5 shades. Packaging's super cute. It just says Kosas on it. And then 10-second eyeshadow. It comes with 6 milliliters or 0.02 fluid ounces. And then on the box it says, shake well before use, sweep over clean dry lids and blend with finger, doe foot, or eyeshadow brush to desired color. Close cap tightly after each use. And then it says it in French, and then it says the ingredients, which are water, orange fruit extract, mica, alcohol, diglycerin, silica, jojoba seed oil, and then rice starch, and a couple other things. And then on the other side, it says hashtag beauty undone, visionary pigment suspended in fluid for a modern wash of color, made in Italy. Whoa, that's cool, I didn't know that. And then it says clean and cruelty free, and then it's good for 18 months once you open it. So that's awesome. If you don't know, Kosas is a clean beauty brand, and they use all natural ingredients, which is awesome. And then I'm going to read to you a little bit off of the website here, and it says, your eyeshadow game is about to change. 10-second eyeshadow is a clean, water-based, fast-drying, and crease-resistant formula for buildable, high-impact color that stays all day. It's meant to be worn as a wash of color for the most modern take on a fresh eye. The formula is carefully crafted with skin-benefiting ingredients to smooth and tone. That's skincare for your eyelids. So that's super awesome. Water-based, fast-drying, and crease-resistant formula. So that's exciting to see. I'll definitely be testing out the wear to see how long it lasts for. I read on their Instagram it was somewhere around like 4 to 6 hours without a primer underneath, and then longer if you use a primer underneath. So I'm excited to see what that is like. I'll definitely be testing it without a primer because I'm not wearing one right now anyway, so I will test it without the primer to let you guys know how long it lasts for. So they are $28 each, but they have a little deal on here. If you buy 2, you save $6. If you buy 3, you save $14. And what I was originally doing, because I originally had wanted to purchase all 8 of them, as I was adding them to the cart, the more I added, the more expensive they got. So if you only purchase like 3, they're like $23 each or something like that. So that's pretty cool. But if you wanted to add all of them, they do have a set on here, which is $160 that contains all of them. Now, one thing that's really amazing about Kosas is they do offer a pro discount for professional makeup artists. So a little bit more information on the website. It says, clean formula. This one-of-a-kind formula is infused with good-for-you ingredients that soothe the delicate skin on your eyelids. Always wearable, watercolor-like pigments for an understated or statement-making look for the most modern, graphic take on a fresh eye. No tools needed, we're meant to run wild, freestyle, and still look like our best selves. And then for how to use, it says shake well, shake the tube until you hear the metal balls click. To apply, hold upright. Sweep over clean, dry lids starting at the lash line. Blend with a finger, doe foot, or synthetic eyeshadow brush to desired color. Shades may be layered or worn alone. Close cap tightly after each use. Store horizontally for optimal application. And then as far as key ingredients and benefits, it says there's galacto-arabinin. I'm sorry if I butchered that word because I have never seen that word in my life, but it says that it's smoothing and helps with cell renewal, jojoba oil, which is soothing and balancing, and then orange flower water, which is brightening and toning. It's cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, free of parabens, silicones, sulfates, phthalates, mineral oil, PEG, and petrolatum. That is super cool. Like I said, there's 8 different shades. Let's go ahead and open these bad boys up. Alright, so the first shade that I'm opening up is Element. Ooh, wow. This is beautiful. Here's what the packaging looks like. It just says shake well on the back, and then on the bottom it shows the name and how much product is in there and all that good stuff. This color is beautiful. Okay, now I hear the metal balls clicking a little bit. All right. So here's what the applicator looks like. It's just like a little doe foot like you'd find on a concealer or a lip gloss. And let's go ahead and test it out on here. That is pretty. So that is Element. Element is a warm chestnut. The next shade is called Copper Halo, and this is what the packaging looks like. Okay, so it takes about 10 seconds before you hear the metal balls start to click. That one's really similar to Element, but more of like a coppery tone rather than like a red brown. Copper Halo is a warm coppery rose gold. The next one is Supreme. Oh, this one's got a little curvy foot. All right. Ooh, super pretty. Wow. That shade is really lovely. So far, that one might be my favorite so far. Supreme is a warm, glittery gold. The next one is Globe. Wow, that one is super pretty. I really like that shade. That might be my new favorite one. Globe is a neutral champagne. And then the last one that I purchased is a fun one, and it is called Waterfall. And this one is so pretty. Oh wow, I really like that color. That one's really nice. And Waterfall is a cool baby blue. So that is all 5 shades that I got, and they're so pretty. Supreme, which is this gold one here, is the most shimmery of all of them, and then Globe is like next up in line of being shimmery. They're all so pretty. I'm super excited to use these. So I'm gonna insert in a photo now of what all 8 of the shades look like, because Kosas has like a swatch guide on their website, so I'm gonna enter that in now. As you can see, there's like a few other purpley shades and then like a darker blue. That one's called Nitrogen, and I was debating whether or not to get that one. It was so pretty, but I just am not sure if I'm gonna wear that. Whereas this lighter blue shade called Waterfall, I really got like some cool like 70s vibes from it. Like 70s, like Malibu Barbie, that type of thing. Like, it really reminded me of that. So I saw that and I was like, ooh, I want that shade. It says that they dry within 10 seconds, so I'm gonna just run my finger down it and we'll see what happens. They did not fully dry yet, so they did kind of like blend downwards, but only just a little bit. If you blend them out with your finger, they just turn into like a light dusting of the shade. So it looks like Waterfall hasn't dried yet. This one called Globe has. Supreme has not yet. And then Copper Halo did not dry yet. And I'll use this finger. Element did dry a little, but they hadn't fully dried yet. But when you blend them out, they are super beautiful. So I'm excited to apply one. So let's go ahead and do that. They come off super easily. I'm using a baby wipe right now just to like wipe my arm off. And they come off super easily. So that's really cool for when you're removing your makeup at the end of the day. That's an exciting perk. I'm feeling like doing Globe on my eyes. I don't know, part of me wants to do Waterfall. So maybe I'll do one on each eye and we'll see what it looks like. Let's start off with Globe. I'm gonna shake it up again. And I have my little handy mirror. So I don't have any primer on my eyelids. It's just my eyelids. Ooh, super pretty. So that's what it looks like, not blended out. And then I'm just going to blend it with my finger. It feels really cooling and soft on my eye. I think that color is really beautiful. I might just add a little bit more right in the corner there. So that is what Globe looks like. It's really, really pretty. It's a really like perfect neutral color. I think it would be great for like, you know, a summer bronzy look or even just like an everyday office wear. It feels really nice. It feels really smooth. There's some glitter like particles in there, but they don't feel chunky and they don't like scratch your eye or anything. Wow, that's really nice. And the color is just super pretty. And it really brings out like the green and golden tones in my eyes because I have hazel eyes. And wow, I'm really impressed by that. It feels really nice on the eye. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do Waterfall on the other side just because I want to see what that looks like because it's so pretty. But like I also want to use Supreme because that gold shade is like so beautiful. Let me just use Supreme really quick right in like the inner part of this eye. And then we'll go back to Waterfall. Alright, so that is Supreme on the inner like half of my eye. And that is so pretty. There's a lot more sparkle to that one. And that one really brings out like the goldeny orange tones of my eyes. So that's super pretty. I can only imagine what these look like on blue eyes because like neutrals and goldens and coppers really make blue eyes pop. So I can only imagine what they look like on there, but it's so pretty. I am in love with these. Okay, now we'll hit up Waterfall and let's check out what this looks like. So this one seems a bit more watery, but it still feels nice and smooth on the lid. Alright, this is totally giving me Elsa vibes. Does anybody else get that? I really like the blue, actually. It's really cute, it's very summery, and I really like it. I was like a little bit unsure of it, but I really wanted something from the line that was going to be like fun and like poppy, and so I think that is like a really fun color. I'm just looking at it in my monitor over here. It looks really nice. It definitely takes all of the like guesswork out of blending your eye makeup, because all you have to do is just like rub your finger over it lightly and it really just blends itself. You can also use a brush, but I think it looks really cool. Wow, I'm super impressed by these and I'm so excited. I'll definitely keep you guys posted. I'll probably take this one off and then redo this shade combo on this side because I'm going out to work later and I don't want to wear two different eyeshadows and be a little bit, you know, different. And I will definitely insert a little clip keeping you posted on how they turned out and lasted throughout the day, because so far they have dried down and they're not moving, they're not budging or anything, so I'm really excited for these. Hey guys, so just checking in. It's now been 6 hours since I applied these Kosas shadows. I just want to show you a little update on what they look like. And so I noticed a little bit of creasing just right around like my crease, just like a few little lines, but honestly you can just like blend it back in and it's not even that big of a deal. Like, it still looks really good. It's lasted. There isn't any fallout or anything from it, so I really like it. And I did apply the other two that I applied on this eye back to this one and took off the blue shade, and it's super easy to remove. I just used a little bit of the Pacifica makeup remover and a Q-tip and just wiped it away, and it was super easy. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on the lasting power. It seems pretty good, and I'm sure if you used a primer underneath it would be even better. So what do you guys think about these eyeshadows? They seem really easy to use, very user-friendly, and I feel like it's a great actually beginner shadow. So maybe you have a daughter or a sister or a cousin or a niece or a friend, anybody that maybe is new to makeup or just wants to learn about makeup or maybe doesn't really like understand the techniques very well. These would be a great gift for somebody because they're just like super easy and user-friendly. I'm super excited about them. Are you guys gonna purchase any? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't tried out Kosas, I definitely recommend them. They have become one of my go-to brands, not only in my personal makeup kit, but also in my professional kit. I love this brand. So I'm super excited for this new launch. And I can't wait to see what else Kosas comes out with. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments too if you like these swatch videos, because I have so much fun doing swatch videos. They're one of my favorites. I hope you have a great day, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you join my little makeup community here where I talk about all things cruelty-free beauty and mostly like green and clean brands. So I hope that you'll join me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye!